Hi everyone. Today we want to solve this nonlinear system of equations. I initially was not going to add audio to this, but then I decided that at first glance it may not be obvious to a lot of people how to solve this, so I decided to actually solve it with audio. If you like to solve the problem yourself, please pause the video. So this is actually a homogeneous equation, and if you have seen a lot of these equations, you can say right off the bat, but if you are a little bit novice in this field, you may not see how it is homogeneous. But if we simplify it a little bit, it will become obvious. So for the first equation, I can find the least common denominator and simplify it. So it will be x plus y squared plus x minus y squared divided by x squared minus y squared is 5/2. And the second equation, we just write it as is. X squared plus y squared is 90. And then we can write this as x squared plus 2xy plus y squared plus x squared minus 2xy plus y squared divided by x squared minus y squared is 5/2, and then x squared plus y squared is 90 is our second equation. So you can see that all the terms in these two equations are of the order of 2. So it is a homogeneous equation, and we can now apply the systematic method that we discussed in one of the previous problems that is linked in the comment section below. So let's simplify this just a little bit further. So this will be 2x squared plus 2y squared divided by x squared minus y squared is 5/2, and x squared plus y squared is 90. So let's just assume y is mx. So we will get 2x squared plus 2mx squared divided by x squared minus m squared x squared is 5/2, and the second equation is x squared plus m squared x squared is 90. So we can see that we can find m from the first equation, which is in fact interesting because value of m will not depend on the second equation here. So let's continue the simplification and see how it will go. So we get 2 plus 2m squared, this is actually m squared, divided by 1 minus m squared is 5/2. So we have 4 plus 4m squared is 5 minus 5m squared. Therefore 9m squared is 1. And therefore m is plus or minus 1/3. So if we replace this into the second equation, we will have x squared plus 1/9. X squared is 90. Therefore 10/9 x squared is 90, and x squared will be 9 squared. Therefore x will be plus minus 9. And for if x is plus 9, then y, which is m times x, can be plus or minus 3. And if x is minus 9, then y can be plus or minus 3 again. So the solutions that we have are x equals to plus or minus 9 and y equal to plus or minus 3. Now it's always good to replace these numbers into the original equation and see if the equation holds if you want to check your answers. I'm not going to do that here, but you can replace this into the original equation and check it. Thank you so much for watching this solution. If you're interested in more problems like this, please consider subscribing to the channel and forward this to other people who might be interested. Thank you.